And we are live. Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life Fiddler business page, and now a proud digital business owner. I'm so excited tonight because I'll be joined by a good friend from Singapore, now based in Australia, and the founder of Elite Jobs. As fellow entrepreneurs, we believe in one mission to support and uplift each other while helping others through our businesses. So even though we're in different industries, we share the same heart to grow, to serve, and to create solutions that truly make a difference. This is what I really love about entrepreneurship. It's not about competition, it's about collaboration and connection. So, our guest for tonight is James Tarosa. But before I add him to stage, I will read his full bio first because it is really amazing. So he is a husband, a beautiful wife, and a proud father of two amazing kids who serves as his great biggest inspiration in everything he does. He's currently working as a sales and marketing manager in Australia and at the same time the founder of Elite Jobs, a rapidly growing health and hydration brand empowering Filipinos to live healthier through smarter hydration. So James has a strong background in personal finance and business leadership. He was focused on Money Max he was featured on MoneyMax.ph as one of the top financial gurus to follow on social media, recognized for his practical and relatable approach to financial growth. He also became the top one Filipino consultant in Prudential, Singapore, and his story of overcoming challenges and achieving success was later featured on businessforhome.org as one of the top achievers in the industry. So, with a deep passion for helping others level up in health, wealth, and mindset, James continues to build communities and inspire others to take ownership of their life, their health, and their future. So, I will now add him to stage. Okay, hello, James. Um, I know a lot of people are inspired by your story already, but before we get to our question and answer, please greet everyone watching. Our community loves hearing directly from our guests. And thank you so much for your time to be my guest in this Kape at Kwento live stream.
So, good evening
Okay?
everyone. Good evening sa lahat ng mga viewers and audience ng Kape at Kwento. Thank you, Sis Lori, for inviting me sa iyong
Yes,
podcast.
sure.
And I hope na marami tayong ma-inspire tonight sa kwento when it comes to business and health.
Yes, definitely marami tayong mai-inspire sa biography mo pa lang, sa bio mo pa lang, sa intro ko pa lang, talagang inspiring na, 'di ba? And for sure, yung mga viewers natin and yung mga manunod ng replay later, for sure mai-inspire sila sa iyo, James. So I'll go with my first question. What inspired you to create Elite Drops?
Yun, yun agad, sis.
Yes.
All
Kasi
right,
'di
sige.
ba,
So,
parang tanong agad eh, bakit ba na-create mo yung, Elite Drops, 'di
that's a very
ba?
good question. And let's go straight forward to that. All right. So, for the last 5 or going 6 years, I've been using electrolytes every single day. The reason is that I'm a big believer of the product. I'm a big believer of the nutrient or yung ano nga to, yung nutrition na binibigay ng electrolytes sa katawan ko. And I never miss a single day without taking it. Bakit? Pagising ko pa lang, basically ito na yung una kong ginagamit. Now, way back when I was first introduced to this product just to give you an idea. It's matagal na, way back 20 years ago, pero wala ko masyadong knowledge kung ano talaga yung produkto na to, kung ano talaga yung binibigay or yung main benefit ng product nito. Ang alam ko lang before, na paki-explain sa amin, is it gives you energy, and it makes your water alkaline. Yun lang yung pagkaalam ko before. And then, when I started my quote-unquote running journey, when I was in Singapore, lagi ako nagka-cramps. Lagi akong nagka-cramps, hindi ko matatapos yung workout ko, lagi akong stress, pagod, lahat. No, ano nga to, na-experience ko yan, especially sa mga bagong runners na hindi gumagamit ng electrolytes. So I did my research, and then based on my research, kulang ako sa electrolytes. That's where I started na inaral. Hindi naman inaral. That's where I started talaga taking electrolytes because of it, nakatulong sa cramps ko, and then somehow it gives me energy. And then I was taking different electrolytes. I was taking, to name a few, I was taking that time in Singapore, I was taking Gatorade, Powerade, and I think 100 plus yung meron sa Singapore na yan. Or Pocari. I forgot, 100 plus or Pocari. But anyway, yun yung mga ginagamit ko. And then I was also taking yung mga effervescents and mga tablets, and I can't remember the brands na, pero yun yung mga tinitake ko. But those products, well, basically, it really helps me when it comes to electrolytes, pero hindi siya it has sugar and sweeteners na hindi nakakatulong sa gut ko, and napafeel ko minsan talaga na hindi maganda yung gut ko. So, nang nag-move kami sa Australia, I started again my business journey, and then re-encounter this product. So, rediscover ko ulit yung product na to, and then doon ko naalala na, electrolytes, so naniniwala na ako, and sabi ko, ito yung una kong product na quote-unquote na ima-market or ipopromote. So, tulungan na ako, I love the product, I'm a big believer electrolytes already, but what makes this special is because of meron siyang 80 plus electrolytes compared with the others na only 3 to 5, and then walang sugar, walang sweetener, walang fillers, walang flavorings, walang calories and all that. So, ang ginawa ko, pinomote ko yung produkto, doon ako nagulat, to be honest, sa mga results. Merong may insomnia na for the last, I think since high school pa, na hindi makatulog ng maayos, CYP5, gumaling. May hyperacidity for the last 3 to 5 years, gumaling. May GERD for the last, I don't know, hindi ko na maalala, pero may GERD na hindi siya makatulog ng nakahiga because mataas ang acid niya. Natulungan in less than a month ng mga produkto. Ang daming kwento na doon ako nag-dig down deeply. Ganun pala yung effect ng produkto. Sobrang liit lang. Sobrang simple lang. Ipapatak mo lang sa water mo. Yun yung naging effect. And that's where my curiosity kicked in. Ano bang meron sa produkto na to? And I did all my research. And that's the reason why sabi ko, based on all my research, this is the foundation of our health. Electrolytes or minerals are the foundation or the root of our health. Na pag wala ito, hirap tayo maging healthy. In fact, pag kulang tayo sa electrolytes, which we call it cellular dehydration, yes, uminom ka na maraming tubig, pero most of the tubig na inom natin walang electrolytes yan. And that's the reason why na meron akong always na sinasabi na maybe the cause of your sickness could be coming from your water. The water that you're drinking is because the water that you're drinking is dead water or acidic water. Which is, if you drink acidic water or dead water, your body will turn into acid. And an acidic body is the breeding ground of all diseases. Doon nagsistart yung hyperacidity, doon nagsistart yung migraine, doon nagsistart yung different headaches, joint pains, arthritis, all of that. No? So, going back to that, ni-research ko, and then yun, doon ko na-discover lahat ng mga doctors that recommends the product or electrolytes, and doon ko rin nalaman na 70%, 7 out of 10 Filipinos are dehydrated pero hindi nila alam. I thought before na pag uminom ka na ng 8 glasses of water, okay na. Healthy ka na, solved na. But, based on my research, we all know that we are what we eat. Right? If you eat healthy foods, magiging healthy yung katawan mo. But if you eat junk food, processed foods, magiging junk or unhealthy yung katawan mo. Simple as that. But we also know if we are what we eat, we are also what we drink. And the biggest question, what type of water are we drinking? If our body is 70 to 75% water, our brain is 70 plus percent water, our muscles is 80 plus percent water, our heart is consists of a high percentage of water, what type of water are we drinking? And that could be the root cause ng mga sakit mo. pag wala electrolytes in water. Because wala na talaga. We call it purified, ang iniinom natin, purified, filtered, distilled, and all that, which is basically, there's no water. Minsan tinatawag nilang alkaline water, pero there's no alkaline water in it. And then, right? Wala namang mineral. Sometimes we call it mineral, wala na rin. Right? So, that's the reason I'm a big believer in the product, and I do believe this is the baseline, the foundation. Hydration is the foundation of our health. Smarter hydration. So that's the reason why na I decided to answer your story, yung question pa hindi ko pa nasagot. So, di ba, ano nga to, no? I started that company. Nag-join ako sa company na yon, but it's in the MLM industry company, which is basically we are involved with. But parang sabi ko, ayaw ko na muna ma-involve. So, nag-lay low ako on that industry. And then, ito lang, early this year, March or April, ito yung talaga nagbigay ng spark sa akin na mag-start ako ng business, ng sarili ko produkto. Is meron akong friend dito sa Australia na meron din siyang GERD. Kasama ko siya sa nagbebenta ng kotse before, sa car sales industry before. And then, lagi niya kinikwento, may acid siya sa akin. Hindi siya makatulog. Actually, may GERD din siya, na nakatayo din siya, nakaupo din siya na natutulog. Then sabi ko, meron akong kwento na ganyan, ang dami kong natulungan when it comes to that, I'll give you this product. And in less than a week, talagang excited siya. Isang morning, excited siya, nilapitan niya ako, parang binump niya ako ng gano'n. Sabi niya, James, what's in this product? What's on that product that you give me? I don't have acid anymore. Parang gano'n, excited siya. Sabi ko, it's just electrolytes. And then, anyway, bumili siya na marami, nag-stock siya. And then, one time daw, last year, binigyan niya yung friend niya. Kasi, umalis na ako sa car industry, wala na kami kita. Pero binigyan niya daw last year yung kaibigan niya din na meron ganun. And then, sobrang pasalamat ng wife niya is because gumaling. Gumaling din. Wow. And then, last March lang, nagkita kami, sabi niya, James, thank you talaga. Kasi nakita kami sa isang shop dito. Niya, thank you, super thank you. I think Indian siya. Sabi niya, sobrang thank you because hindi lang ako natulungan mo, yung friend ko mismo, na best friend ko dito sa Australia, natulungan din yung produkto. Doon yung mag-spark sa akin. Sabi ko, what if I'll start that business again in the Philippines? And then I saw the growing community of active professionals in the Philippines. So sabi ko, there's a gap basically when it comes to electrolytes. Most electrolytes are powder in form or ready to drink, which is high in sugar, high in sweeteners. Minsan ayaw it's too sweet, minsan ayaw na may flavors. So, that's where na idea na, sige nga, ako na start ko na nga ito. So, that's the reason why last August, I just launched the product. So, yun yung naging inspiration ko.
Wow. Since water, di ba? Water talaga, importante talaga sa body natin ang water, di ba? So, dapat yung iniinom talaga nating water is maganda rin sa body natin para lahat function, lahat ng organs natin sa body natin is magpa-function siya properly. That's amazing, James. I will go with my, actually, yung mga questions ko medyo maikli lang naman. So, pagsasama-samahin ko na siya, I think you will be able to answer naman in one, So, yung number 2, number 3, and number 4 questions ko, pagsasama-samahin ko na. So, what makes it different from hydration or energy drink? And yung third question ko, what common problems does Elite Drops help solve for people? And then, how has this product changed your own life or health? So, para isang na lang tayo. Masagot mo na lahat. Okay lang ba sa'yo yun?
Okay. Okay na okay sa akin, sis. Walang problema yun. Para magpa-product presentation na ako dito. Yes. Anyway, to start answering yung 3 questions mo na yun. Para at least, and this is basically how I answer people also when they ask me, para saan ba yan? Alright? Ano bang benefits yan? Right? So, to start with, basically, dagdagan ko lang yung sabi mo na napaka-importanting water. In fact, we have 6 essential nutrients na kailangan ng katawan natin. Right? Meron tayong carbs, meron tayong proteins, meron tayong fats, meron tayong water, meron tayong vitamins, and meron tayong minerals. But out of the 6, to be honest, yung 5 lang yung medyo tayo familiar. Familiar tayo with carbs. It's go food. Familiar tayo with protein and fats, which is grow foods. Familiar tayo with water. Sabi mo nga, importante yung water. And familiar tayo with vitamins. In fact, pag sinabing mag-supplement ka, ang una sa utak natin are vitamins. Right? But, yung minerals, hindi talaga natin alam. In fact, if you ask people, ano yung minerals, siguro 90% hindi alam anong effect ng minerals sa katawan natin. But with all that, ang pinaka-importante actually is water with minerals. Alright? Bakit? Again, going back, minerals is the foundation of our health. Pag walang minerals, our body cannot function. In fact, carbs, proteins, all of that, vitamins, some of the vitamins, cannot be absorbed by our cells without minerals, without electrolytes. So that's why napaka-importante ang minerals. In fact, merong mga supplements na nasasayang, inom tayo ng supplements, pero kulang ang minerals natin, imbalance ang minerals natin, nasasayang yan, hindi absorb ng cells. Kaya, minsan sabi natin, ang mahal na ng mga supplements mo, bakit wala pa rin effect? Because hindi na-absorb ng cells mo. So, napaka-importante yung minerals. Then, going back into that, right, water with minerals. Our body is consist of, nasabi ko kanina, 70 to 75% water. Just to give you a parang best analogy na I always explain is, imagine your body is like a house. Yung house na yan, puno ng appliances. May TV, may aircon, may ref, may microwave, may dishwasher, may washing machine. Andun lahat ng appliances sa bahay mo. Pero imagine, puno ng appliances yung bahay mo, pero walang kuryente. Are you going to use that? Magagamit mo ba yung appliances na yan? May kwenta ba yung mga appliances na yan? Wala. Same thing with our body. Our body is the house. The appliances are the organs. Pero pag walang electrolytes, yung katawan mo, walang kuryente na tinatawag natin, it will not function well. And that's the reason why may high blood, may diabetes, may problema sa kidney, may problema sa brain, may problema sa heart, may problema sa muscles, right? All of that nagkakaproblema because hindi na-function yung heart mo. Because you're not yung organs mo, because you're not giving them the right electrolytes or nutrients, fuel na kailangan ng katawan, ng organs na yan. That's how important electrolytes is. Kaya, pag sinabi mo, for example, magnesium, anong nakita sa magnesium? It's good for the heart, it's good for the muscles. Potassium, it's good for, ang tawag ito, muscles, basically, potassium and the brain, right? Sodium, good for the brain. All of that, they have different functions, different electrolytes. That's why hindi lang 3 electrolytes sa kailangan mo, hindi lang magnesium yung kailangan mo, hindi lang potassium. Kasi kung mataas ang potassium, ang magnesium mo, mababa yung potassium mo, imbalance, magka-problema. Mataas yung zinc mo, pero wala kang, for example, sodium or chloride, imbalance, may problema ulit. That's the reason why I believe on this product. If people ask me, ano yung pinakaiba? It's balance. It has 80 plus electrolytes coming from the deep waters of Australia. Ibig sabihin, all natural. In-extract siya, finilter out yung mga harmful chemicals, nilagay sa bote, and it's God-made. It's nature's made. That's why it's called nature's electrolytes. So, anong difference? Again, this is not a sports drink, but basically, I call this parang coconut juice in steroids. Kasi mas marami siyang electrolyte. And ang maganda, ionic. Ano ibig sabihin ng ionic? Pag inom mo, absorb agad ng dugo mo because yung molecular weight niya is the same molecular weight sa blood natin. That's why we've heard a lot of stories na in just minutes lang, gumaling. Actually, wala pang 1 minute or 2 minutes. I may sound exaggerated, but this is really true. Naggumaling agad, nawala agad yung migraine nila. Like, the next day lang, for example, uminom ngayon, tonight, mamayang gabi, ang ganda agad ng tulog because absorb agad ng katawan nila. And we've heard a lot of stories of that na kwento when it comes to our electrolytes. Common problems, basically, a lot. Ang nakikita ko, number 1, 90% of the people that use the product, 90% talaga, every time I ask them, isa lang yung sinasabi nila, my sleep improved. Yun yung pinakauna. If they're an athlete or they're basically active people, hindi na sila nagka-cramps. That's the second, kung active sila. Right? Migraine nila biglang nawala, energy nila tumaas, nasabi ko na yung sleep, no, ang tawag nito, mood nila. Basically, hindi na sila mainitin ng ulo. Tingnan mo, mostly, ang tao mainitin ng ulo, lagi mainitin ng ulo, acidic in nature. Malalaman mo yan, acidic yan. Pag sinabi mo, laging mainitin ng ulo, acidic yan. So yun, mood nila, arthritis, joint pains, things na before hindi ko makapaniwala na kayang tulungan ng electrolytes, like 7 years after. Even gouty arthritis na some doctors, sinasabi nila wala ng gamot yan. Painkiller ka na lang, right? Gone. As in, totally gone. So, yun yung mga problems na natulungan. Even anxiety, depression, people with have mental issues, ang dami natulungan ng elite. That's the reason why sometimes it may sound exaggerated na bakit lahat to kaya niya. It's because, again, the root cause of your sakit is just dehydration, cellular dehydration. Hindi mo fina-function na maayos yung mga organs mo sa katawan mo. Pero pag nag-function lahat yan, solve lahat yan. That's how powerful electrolytes is. That's the role, or that's the parang mission ni elite, na we will empower people to hydrate smarter.
Wow,
Yep, I think that answers your question.
Yes. And how has this product changed your life or health?
A lot, sis. Well, malaman kayo, hindi. For the last 5 years, never ako tinamaan ng sakit. In fact, ito lang. Normal na mga ubo, sipon, hindi yan tumatagal sa akin. In less than 24 hours yan, hindi yan tumatagal talaga sa akin. Hindi naman sa nagkaroon tayo, di ba, nagkaroon ng quote-unquote COVID before, right? So, parang tinaman ako ng COVID. Hindi ako sure. Kasi first time ko na nag-chills ako at sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. So, what I did, naramdaman ko na yun, and then yung wife ko kasi nauna, and then yung baby ko, and then ako. So, what I did, medyo naramdaman ko na kasi ang ginagawa ko, nagmamassive dose kasi ako ng mga supplements pag alam ko na meron na. Pagpapunta na siya. So, yun. Nagpataka ko, I think, ng 40 drops buong araw na yun. So, buong gabi na yun, 40 drops. And then, the next day, or hindi nga tumagal, the next day, kasi nawala lang. Nagkasakit lang ako overnight, and then tapos na. Yung wife ko, natagalan pa siya. And then yung baby ko, I think, mga 3 days. But yun, never ako tinamaan ng sakit, never ako tinamaan ng acid, never ako nagproblema sa sleep ko. Never ako nagka-problema. And every time na nagtutulog ako, yung mafe-feel mo talaga, hindi naman every time, no? Pero basically, mafe-feel ko talaga na sobrang restored and refreshing. Kasi alam ko, during that night, talagang ni-recover niya yung pan ko. And before I was tracking my sleep, usually ang sleep ko talaga, REM sleep and deep sleep ko, umaabot yan sila ng almost 4 hours combined. Yung REM and deep, which is yun yung optimized na REM and deep sleep. I've been tracking it, I've been posting it sometimes sa social media ko. So yun yung mga sa akin na yung effect, and that's the reason why I never miss a single day taking it. Nung acid, never ako nakaramdam ng acid. Even before, kahit umiinom pa ako before, no? Siyempre, the next day may hangover, right? Hindi ko rin naranasan yung ganun. Tumatakbo pa ako the next day nun. So, yun lang nga, sabi ko nga, how I wish Pinoys would try or experience the product para sila mismo magsabi na yun yung sinasabi na totoo pala.
Yes, kasi kung hindi mo pa natatry yung product, di ba, hindi mo rin naman malalaman kung effective sa'yo. Kasi yung body naman natin, all of us are unique, di ba? So, iba-iba. So, pag hindi pa natin talaga na-try yung product, hindi pa natin talaga masasabi na, oh, wow, effective to sa aking product na to. So, yung, isisingit ko na question lang before I proceed with the other questions, with 2 other questions. Saan ba mapopurchase to? Para before tayo mag-proceed sa...
Alright, that's a very good question. Then, right now, which is timing actually, sis, yung pa natin, yung podcast na to, because it's 11/11, we're running a special deal right now. So, 22% off tayo right now on all the packages that we have. So, meron tayong 1 bottle, 3 bottles, and 5 bottles, which is basically in 3 bottles and 5 bottles, may discount na yan. On top of that, sa discount na yan, naka 22% off pa yan lahat. So they can buy directly on that website, www.elitedrops.com, or we're also available on Shopee. I think ang Shopee natin is Elite Drops Official. Let me check lang. Nakalimutan ko. I believe it's Elite Drops na pala, sorry. Elite Drops lang sa Shopee. So, the good thing about Shopee, kasi pag may mga vouchers kayo dyan, magagamit nyo rin siya. And naka 22% off din tayo. If you have also TikTok, just type Elite Drops. I think sa TikTok naman, there's a bigger discount there because of the vouchers naman. So, yep, anywhere on the 3 platforms that I mentioned, sa website natin, elitedrops.com, sa Shopee natin, sa TikTok, it's all available to purchase. And until ngayon, yung promo natin na 22% off is only until tonight.
Till tonight. Oh, wow. Kasi 11-11, di ba? For sure,
11-11.
so mga viewers natin, saka manunood mamaya ng replay, for sure, magbabay na sila, magpo-purchase na sila. Mag-purchase na kayo kasi sayang din ang discount, di ba? At saka narinig nyo naman kanina, ang daming benefits, di ba? So maganda na matry natin talaga yung products. Thank you for that, James. I will go with my 5th question. What's one thing you want people to understand about proper hydration? Tapos kanina, di ba, nabanggit mo na hindi natin alam na dehydrated pala tayo kaya tumiinom tayo ng 8 glasses of water. So, ano ba yun? Ano ba yung talagang proper hydration?
Good. So, actually, the 8 glasses of water is a myth. No? Marami na nag-debunk dyan. The best way to hydrate, basically, number one is, it really depends on your body weight. There's a formula there. Alright? Pero kayo na bala mag-research, no? Kasi marami ding sa internet na nagsasabi ko ano yung best formula. But para sa akin, right, sa akin itself, I'm drinking 2.5 liters of water, spring water yung iniinom ko, with 30 drops of Elite Drops. So, that's for me is my proper way of hydration. And ang the best way is pagising mo sa umaga, the first thing that you need to do is not drink coffee, all right? But hydration with electrolytes, water with electrolytes. Bakit? Here's the science behind that. Ang katawan natin, pagtulog, walang kinukonsume yan. So pagising natin, hydrated na yan. Right? Pagising natin, hydrated. That's why there's a lot of people na pagising, sakit, kahit nakatulog 8 hours, sakit pa rin yung ulo. Right? Pagod pa rin. Parang hindi nakapagpahinga. Again, it's because of dehydrated yung katawan mo. The best is to hydrate it. I-hydrate mo siya. But if you're drinking, again, if you're just drinking normal water, yung normal water na yan will not be absorbed by the body. Again, because there's no minerals in it. Imagine mo na lang, because our cells may mga gatekeepers yan. And some of our cells may mga transporters, right? Ang gatekeepers and transporters na yan, alright, are electrolytes. Namely, one of them is the biggest sodium. Alright? Now, kung wala kang electrolytes, kahit anong inom mo ng tubig, naka-flash out mo yan. Iniihi mo lang. That's why, kahit daraming tubig iniinom mo, uhaw pa din. It's because there's no absorption. What electrolytes do is that they open the cells and transport that water into the cells. Now, notice this. People, sa gabi, nahirap makatulog, dehydrated, hirap makatulog, tawag natin dyan, dehydration, insomnia, nagigising sa umaga. Right? Para umihi. Bakit? Uminom sila tubig the night, nagising 3 a.m., 4 a.m. para umihi. Bakit? There's no absorption of water. Umihi mo na. Ang normal na tulog, hindi ka dapat magising. Kasi hindi na-absorb ng body mo. Now, bakit hindi coffee ang una din? Right? Bakit water? Because coffee is diuretic na. Dehydrated ka na, inuman mo pa ng diuretic, anong mayari? Walang matitira sa katawan mo na fluids. So the best way is hydrate with electrolytes. And then midday, take another 10 drops, or if you're active, para iwas cramps, iwas fatigue, right? Muscles mo will work better. right? Take electrolytes, and then before ka matulog, 30 to 45 minutes, hydrate with electrolytes again, drink water with electrolytes. Bakit? You're going into a state na madidehydrate na yung katawan mo. The body needs fluids na i-absorb niya. So that's the best way. That's why a lot of people, pag take pa lang, parang tinatawag na sila matulog because it calms the nerves. And yung ginawa ng mga electrolytes din dyan, it calms the nerve, calms your brain, helps you activate melatonin. Alright? And gives you the proper hydration habang tulog ka. And then since you're properly hydrated, your recovery is better while you're sleeping. Ay doon mo ma-experience yung REM at deep sleep na meron mga nagkikwento for the first time in a very long time, meron akong dream. May mga dreams na ako naranasan because you're in a good sleeping state. So, yep, that's the best way. Proper hydration is not just 8 glasses of water, right? It's better. But again, if you're gonna take electrolytes, the next thing is basically put not table salt, but sea salt. But sea salt is just mostly sodium. Wala siya ibang electrolytes. There are other electrolytes, but mostly mataas yung sodium niya, which is pag mataas din ang sodium mo, delikado din sa kidneys natin. Right?
Yes.
So, ano nga to, best is balance. Well, that's the reason why I highly recommend Elite Drops. When it comes to pricing, it's very, very cheap. Right? Pag walang discount, it's only around 25 pesos per day. Very cheap. It's the cheapest for me, cheapest health hack that your body will thank you.
Wow, ang dami namin natutunan doon. Lalo na ako, hindi ako masyadong palainom ng tubig. Di ba? Maraming salamat, James. I'll go with my last question na. As a fellow business owner, what message do you have for others who also want to create something that helps people?
Wow, that's a very good question. Number one, basically, it's not just about the money. It's ano yung mission talaga. Right? Sa akin, I discovered talaga basically my mission long time ago. It's really to empower people. Maybe it comes to business before, sa networking, health, which is I was before then masakitin ako. Ano nga to, I was already scheduled for operation, but because of taking care of my health, nawala yun. Ano nga to, maybe your mission is helping people earn more money, right? Find a mission na basically you not just love doing it, right? But you'll be fulfilled at the end of the day na kahit walang pera involved, marami ka pa rin tao na tutulungan. So, that's very important. Kasi syempre people, pag sinabi, magninegosyo ako kasi may pera doon. If you're just chasing for the money, magiging impatient ka kasi wala pang pera, and that's where you quit early. So, maraming quote-unquote business owners who started, right, and then nawawala in less than a year is because they chased the money, not the mission. So first, I think, what's your mission talaga? Ano yung mission mo? Focus on that. And then, well, hindi ko sinasabi na hindi importante pera. In fact, no, pera is napaka-importante din. Right? But the thing that will sustain you, yung magbibigay sa iyo ng tuloy-tuloy na drive, is yung long-term mission mo, kung anong gusto mong mangyari sa ginagawa mo or sa company mo.
Yes. And alam naman natin na health is wealth, diba? So, yung
1,000%.
money, parang kahit marami kang pera, wala rin eh. Kung yung health mo hindi rin maganda, diba? If you're not healthy, marami kang pera. If you're not healthy, parang hindi rin
You'll not enjoy your money.
na talagang you will you will enjoy your
You will
life,
not-
you will live a long life, diba?
You'll not enjoy your money. Well, in fact, no, maraming mga unhealthy people. I mean, they're wealthy people but they're unhealthy people. Pabalik-balik sila sa hospital, may maintenance sila, nakahiga lang sila minsan, naka-wheelchair. So, you'll not, I cannot say if they're not enjoying their life, right? Their money. But kung ikaw, ang ginagawa ko lang, if I'm on his position, may pera ako pero naka-wheelchair ako, may pera ako pero pabalik-balik ako sa hospital, will I enjoy life? I don't think so. Ang
Yes, hindi ka
pinaka-worst
talaga
pa,
mag-enjoy pagka gano'n.
ang pinaka-worst pa is you'll be a burden to your family. That's the worst thing, which is I really don't. I mean, yun yung ayaw ko talaga. And that's the reason why I keep myself as much as possible healthy and fit at my age, right? Para basically hindi ako maging burden sa kanila, sa family ko. And at the same time, habang lumalaki yung anak ko, makakalaro pa ako sa kanila. May competition pa, kaya ko pang makipag-compete sa kanila. In a way na physically, right? Kung involvement sila sa sports which I want them to involve in for. So I think that's the goal. It's not just the money, but basically to be really healthy and not just healthy. Kasi hindi mo rin alam anong health para sa'yo. But also fit, strong enough to carry, flexible enough yung mga muscles mo. Wala kang joint pains na nararamdaman pagising mo. No, those for me are ang definition of health.
Wow, what an inspiring conversation with the founder of Elite Drops. So sa mga ano natin, sa mga viewers natin, want to say thank you for watching and also for the live, Farouk Ahmad Chitral. I'm not sure if you will be able to understand because we are speaking our language. And thank you for the love, Patrick Pangilinan. So yun, wow, talagang super inspiring yung conversation natin with the founder of Elite Drops, si James. And also, thank you so much sa pag-guest nito. It's always powerful to see how passion, purpose, and persistence can create something that helps so many people. So thank you so much for sharing your story and reminding us that business is not just about income, it's about impact. So to everyone watching, remember when entrepreneurs support each other, we grow together. So for any other last message to our viewers, James, before we end our live streaming,
Yeah, sure. Una sa lahat, thank you Sis Lori for inviting me
you're
sa
welcome.
sa podcast mo. I basically enjoyed doing this. This is really one of my passion to share kung ano yung knowledge ko. Not just sa business ko but basically kung pagdating mo sa health. For those people watching and curious, curious about what's Elite, meron tayong website, again, elitecraft.com, or free to chat me. All right? Message nyo lang ako if you wanna know more and then sagutin ko kayo, especially pag sinabi nyo na galing kayo basically sa narinig niyo yung podcast na to. Our goal lang, our mission lang basically is to empower people to hydrate smarter. And ang pinaka-vision ko, especially with Elite Drops, is this will be the go-to health product. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Na if someone wants to become healthy and hindi alam paano mag-start, this will be the start. This will be their baseline. Their hydration would be their baseline. And if there's someone naman na feeling nila healthy na sila but they want to optimize their health, all right, this is also one of the best ways to optimize, to biohack your health, yung minerals. All right. So we have a deal that's going on right now, 11/11 deal. It's 22% off. Take advantage of it. If not naman, okay lang. Ano nga to? We're very open to help you pagdating sa produkto na to. Just message me or message yung website namin or yung pages namin, and then we're really open to help you kung paano namin kayo matulungan if you have some health concerns out there.
Thank you so much, James. So sa mga viewers natin, nakikita niyo yung website ni James, www.elitedrops.com. So sa lahat ng mga gustong mag-purchase, interested to have a good health para sa magandang hydration ng katawan natin. Water is very important. So kailangan talaga natin ng magandang iniinom para maging maganda rin tayo. Maging maganda yung ating katawan, di ba? So thank you so much for spending your time with us tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. Good night and God bless us all. Bye.
Hi, everyone.